All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Fresh Ink Winners Helmet Winner's Choice. We'll call it number one. So we'll check the time, December 2nd at 6:47 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have today at 6:47 p.m. There is the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Lauren. Spot 5 is your winner. So Larry, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, December 2nd. 6:48 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.